Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers, where we make it easy for you to find the perfect HDHMR moldings for your home. With our WhatsApp API account, we are excited to share information about our products and services directly with you. Let's get started. At Sehrawat Brothers, we specialize in manufacturing HDHMR moldings in both standard and customized sizes according to your requirements. Our standard size moldings are 8 feet long, available in 18mm, 25mm, and 30mm thicknesses, and come in various designs to suit your style. Our HDHMR moldings offer numerous benefits, including durability, moisture resistance, and easy installation. As manufacturers, we guarantee the best quality materials and deliver our products at factory prices directly to your doorstep. We also provide free and secure home delivery of our products, complete with 100% insurance coverage all over India. Rest assured that you're getting the best value and protection when you shop with Sehrawat Brothers. If you have any questions, simply type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. And if our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team is ready to help. We're here to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. Thank you for choosing Sehrawat Brothers for your HDHMR moldings needs. Visit our website or connect with us on WhatsApp to explore our collection. Namaskar and Jai Hind.